As a society, everybody just kind of goes home and sits in their house. Everybody's so busy and they forget about who's living next door.
We have lost the connection that was in the neighborhoods back when I was growing up. I had heard so much about people wanting community gardens. I Googled actually trying to find a connection to find out if my yard could be used by somebody who wanted to grow fresh vegetables because I wasn't able to do it anymore.
I lead and coordinate the garden group to start up the community garden. I eagerly raised my hand and said, I'd love to do it.
It's been a bigger success than I had expected. We got along really, really well, and they work hard to do it. And I have benefited as well as they have.
Whether it's a garden or just doing a slight little gesture like shoveling snow or borrowing a tool from someone, it just means a lot to that person, and to me that is the main thing about the abundant communities. Everybody watching out for each other and just working together as a community.
It helped to build friendships and for people to know each other and trust each other. I wouldn't have met Sheila and Andy had I not gone and connected with this garden, and they live 3 blocks away, and it's wonderful.